When the moon hits the sky like a warm pizza pie, that's amore. Welcome back to the Mighty Mansfield show. Now, today is a great day. I have got a list of jobs to do as long as my arm, and the reason I have is because I'm actually going camping again tomorrow, and I just cannot wait. It's been ages. Obviously, I've had issues this year that have prevented me from getting out there, but you know, yeah. So I'm dead excited for it, and we're going to Bridport. I wanted to go there for a long time. It's on the Jurassic coastline. Anyway, I'll show you that when we get down there tomorrow. But I've recently been told that you can get a pizza for £4. I don't know. We'll go and find out. So it is in fact true. I've just placed an order for a pizza for £4. £4. I can't believe it. But we'll see. We'll go pick it up and see what it's like. I think you could actually get it delivered for that as well. I'm not sure though. But I'm going to go there now and we'll give it a go. Right. So I'm just putting into the car park now. I've just come up to. I can't believe a pizza for £4. That's pretty cheap, right? And it's on a lunch special. Right, let's. I'll see what time I ordered it. It's going to be about 10. Yeah, so I ordered about 10 minutes ago. So I'm going to give it a couple of minutes and then run in. But I can't believe it. £4 for a pizza. It seems a bit more reasonable than I find a lot of takeaway pizzas in the UK are pretty expensive for what they are. So this seems a bit more reasonable. But yeah, we'll go in and find out. Right, I'm going to go and get it, and then I'll tell you where I've been. Right, okay, so I'll tell you where I've just been. Just been at Domino's. Now, it's a tiny little box, and this was like £4. There's no sauce with it. Usually on their more expensive pizzas they put a sauce on. But, you know, £4 I don't think you can go too far wrong with. So I'll have a quick look and see what we got. Do you know what? That don't look too bad. It's basically what we're getting. You know, £4. You can't go too far wrong with that, can you? So I've got cheese. Oh, sorry, I've got margarita with bacon and sausage on it. It looks all right, to be fair. It smells all right. You only get 4 bits of sausage and 4 bits of bacon, and there's like 600 calories in this. So it's a bit doughy, to be fair. But as a lunchtime special, I think it's pretty reasonable. I don't think that's too bad at all, really. So I'll show you what I mean. You get like 1 bit of bacon, 1 bit of sausage, and 4 slices. But I think for £4, I think that's pretty reasonable. I mean, it's not going to win awards for being the best pizza around, but we all know that Domino's isn't. And I think Domino's is pretty overpriced normally for what it is anyway. So Domino's, £4 lunch special. Not the best pizza in the world. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I make much better ones at home myself. But for a lunchtime special at that price, I think it's exceptional value. I was going to score Domino's on its own for its quality ingredients and how good a pizza it is. It wouldn't score very high at all. Mid-range for me. I don't know what other people think, but I just think Domino's is a little bit too processed for me. I like a nice hand-stretched dough. Anyway, but because of its cracking value for money, I'm going to have to give that a high score. I'm going to have to give that. I'll give that 7 to 8 out of 10, just for the sheer value of it. You know, when you go to Italy, you can buy like slices of pizza, and they're roughly the same price. So, yeah, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I would recommend Domino's if you want a quick lunch and you don't want to break the bank doing it, and you want value for money. Then you know, they did like other snack items, some sort of wrap type thing, I think, and then they did few varieties of pizza. The whole menu isn't on there, You know, you get a margarita, or you can get, I had sausage and bacon, I think there's a pepperoni on there, and a few other bits and pieces. But yeah, go on their website, have a look. It's if you click on lunch and specials, it's on there. Value for money. Yeah, got to give it that. Can't take that away from it. Anyway, so what I'm doing now is we're going to go and obviously do beer of the week. It's a nice sunny day today, so. And then in the morning I'm getting up and going down to Bridport, so hopefully this weather stays like this. You know, it's been a long time coming, and yeah, I cannot wait just to see the sea again. Anyway, let's go do beer of the week. So beer of the week, so what I've had before, most people know what this is by now, Blood Orange Thatchers. I quite like it. It's a nice little drop, say on another hot day, you know. Nice cold can of this, it's nice. Bit artificial looking though, isn't it? when you drink it out of a can, you don't actually see the colour of it, I guess, but there we go. It's quite nice anyway. So I know this is a short video today. Just rushed off my feet. Got a camping trip planned that I'm going tomorrow morning on, and I haven't done anything. I've got loads to pack still. I've got to put the spare wheel under the car, well, under the van. And yeah, I suppose I've had all these months to prepare, but then mind you, I haven't, have I? Because I've been sort of like providing care for my dog and that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this trip. It's going to be a good one. So I do know this is a short video, but that is the reason why. Now, I'm not a massive Domino's fan. I will just put that straight out there. I don't like the sweetness of the sauce they use. I don't like their bases. It's almost like they're pre-made, you know, and just, it's not what I call authentic pizza. That said, however, that £4 lunch special was terrific value for money, and you can't knock it for that. So, you know, I think that deal was a long time coming, actually. I've always thought how expensive that Domino's actually is, and it's not worth the money. But this time I'm saying the complete opposite. So, yeah, that deal was a long time coming, and if you're hungry at lunchtime and you fancy a quick pizza, and it is a really processed, not a particularly nice one, let's put it that way, and the ingredients are cheap and cheerful, but for £4 you can't really go wrong. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and my next episode will be at Bridport. Cheers.